SushiSwap has been hacked, Metamask releases a wallet update, the Ethereum Shanghai Upgrade is nearing, and an official Thailand Crypto Airdrop is being released, and so much more crypto news that you don't want to miss. So welcome back again. I'm Theo, a content creator for the AltCryptoTalk team. Nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything that you can't afford to lose. And I would also like to thank all of our subscribers who are forever showing us support. If you guys can get us to 3,333 subscribers, I'm going to personally do a giveaway, so be sure to smash that like and subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. And be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. Well guys, let's jump straight into the first article. Okay, so the first thing I want to get into is the Metamask wallet update. So if we go onto Metamask and you sign in, you'll see that we've got a new update. So here's what it says. Get alerts from third parties when you may have received a malicious request. OpenSea is the first provider for this feature. More providers coming soon. Always be sure to do your own due diligence before approving any requests. So we want to enable the security alert. We can see NFTs in our wallet now, and we can add NFTs manually to our wallet, or we can do it automatically. Let's enable security alerts. OpenSea, turn it on, and auto detect NFTs. So essentially, what it says here is we use third-party APIs to detect and display risks involved in unsigned transactions and signature requests before you sign them. These services will have access to your unsigned transaction and signature requests, your account address, and your preferred language. So essentially what this does is it gives you a warning if it scans for any risks or hacks or exploits within the contract that you have to approve. As every transaction that you do, you always have to approve the smart contract before doing so. Therefore, this new update with Metamask will allow you to protect your crypto and assets by adding a layer that tells you whether or not there is a risk or an exploit with the transaction that you're about to approve. So to me, this is an amazing update from Metamask. That's not all that they've done. And now we can see before there was no NFT tab over here. It was just assets and activity. However, now we can check out our NFTs on our Metamask wallet. They've also added the portfolio button to the Metamask wallet to make it easier to enter. So if we click this little tab over here, it takes us to the official Metamask portfolio page, where you can connect your Metamask, connect like so. And obviously this is a small little wallet that I have that I used to work with. And you can buy crypto directly through your credit card. You can swap your cryptos on any network that's available. You can bridge over cryptos to any network that's available. And you can stake with Lido or Rocket Pool. Now, Metamask portfolio also has a potential airdrop, which I did make a video on. If you do want to watch that, I'll leave the link in the description below and you'll see it pop up at the top of the screen. I'm actually a believer that there will be a Metamask airdrop. So if you do want to take a look at that video, I highly recommend it. But let's move on to the next crypto news. So this one is a weird one. So a potential elected Thailand Prime Minister is vowing he will airdrop $300 worth of crypto to the country if he is to become voted in. The opposition leader of Thailand has promised to airdrop 10,000 baht, which is worth $300 in digital currency, to anyone who is over 16. So the whole point of this airdrop is that he wants to make the whole country more digital based. So therefore he's trying to introduce people in Thailand to the world of digital currencies and the power of blockchain. He did say, however, the 300 airdrop will need to be spent within a 4-kilometer community radius and within 6 months. So therefore you can't hold your $300 longer than 6 months, otherwise it will be removed. Therefore you'll have to spend it. But I'm assuming you can spend it on another cryptocurrency and that would just count as $300 spent, but we don't exactly know. But I'm going to pretty much leave this one short and sweet. The Prime Minister is getting ready to spend $15 billion worth of baht, which overall $300 divided by $15 billion is 50 million people in total. Therefore, 50 million people would receive a $300 airdrop. That is unbelievable. And that is such a great thing to do for your community. And if only if all the other countries were doing that too. But we all know that's not going to happen. Let's move on to the next article. This is probably the biggest news article of the week. The SushiSwap DEX approval contract was exploited for over $3.3 million early morning yesterday. And SushiSwap is an official fork of Uniswap and is one of the largest decentralized exchanges in the world. However, SushiSwap has had an unbelievable loss of $3.3 million in an exploit, which supposedly this $3.3 million came from one single user, and you might know him already, known as OX Sifu, which he also got a lot of stick for the Time Wonderland protocol, the protocol that was offering around 200,000% APY. When that crashed, Sifu got a lot of stick saying that he ran away with money. However, he's still sticking around, he's still in the crypto community, so there's a lot of questions hovering around Sifu. However, he always seems to find himself in the middle of a scam. The DeFi Llama developer OX Nagmi said on Sunday that the exploit only seemed to impact users who approved SushiSwap contracts contracts in the past 4 days. Meanwhile, SushiSwap head developer Jared Gray asked users to revoke permissions for all contracts on SushiSwap as a security measure, adding the team was working with the security teams to mitigate this issue. All I would like to say is, guys, if you use SushiDex, please be very careful. If you don't know how to revoke contract addresses, I will show you right now. So all you have to do is go up to Metamask, go to Ethereum, because that would be SushiSwap, for example, unless you did a different network. Go up to where the 3 dots are, go to view account in Explorer on etherscanner.io. Then you want to go to where it says more. You want to go to where it says token approvals. It's in beta mode. It's always been in beta mode. Then you want to put your address in here. So you go up to Metamask, copy your address, paste it. And as you can see, this is the only approval that I've done on the Ethereum network. So you would have to connect to Web3. As you can see here, it says $0 at risk, which is perfect. All you'd have to do is click the revoke button and you have revoked the contract. And if you want to do it again, you would have to approve the smart contract before using the staked Ethereum again. Make sure that you revoked any SushiSwap approved contracts. And that's pretty much it for that article. Okay guys, a small little article here on Bank of England's targeting to make a 30-strong team for a digital currency. And we all know what that digital currency is. It's the digital pound. Now, the digital pound was announced years ago, yet has been flying under the radar, and now they are looking to build a team of 30 to develop the country's first CBDC, aka the central bank digital currency. Now, obviously, it's clear that we are heading into the road of global adoption and crypto regulation, and the only way to do so would be a CBDC, aka the central bank digital currency, and this will probably be both good and bad, in my opinion. Obviously, we want crypto to be adopted globally. However, we don't want these centralization risks, and we don't want the government's grubby hands all over our money. So there is little known about this digital pound. However, the Bank of England is now looking for staff such as security architects and solution architects for the digital pound. And apparently the banks are very serious about this digital pound and the whole world having central bank digital currencies, which I'm not surprised whatsoever. We all know the governments work hand in hand, no matter where you are in the world. I'm going to leave that article short and sweet. Let's move on to the last and final one. So, last but not least, we have the Ethereum Shanghai Upgrade. Let's take a look at how it will affect the blockchain and the whole entire crypto market. So, here it says, while it may cause downside pressure in the short run, the Shanghai Upgrade will be highly bullish for Ether's price in the mid to long term. That is something I can completely agree with. While it may have some short-term negative impact on the price of Ethereum, the upcoming Shanghai Upgrade will be highly bullish for Ethereum's native token. The Shanghai Upgrade, which is scheduled for the 12th of April, which is 2 days away on Wednesday, will allow network validators to withdraw funds that have been locked to secure the network since December 2020. So after 3 years, all those tokens that have been locked up can now be released, which could potentially see some huge damage to Ethereum. However, that is a huge opportunity that you might be able to catch. The upgrade will complete the network's transition to a proof-of-stake system, which started in October 2022, which was what we knew as the merge. Around 18 million ETH will be available for withdrawal following Shanghai. According to Raman, that may lead to some selling pressure on ETH's price in the short term, which I also do agree with. However, that also depends on market psychology. They've also been staking this crypto for 3 years. Maybe they don't want to unstake all of their Ethereum as of now, but we'll have to wait for time to tell. So here it says, the ability to unstake Ether will de-risk the ETH investment in a tremendous way, he pointed out. In particular, institutional investors couldn't get involved earlier in staking, will feel more comfortable once ETH can be unstaked. More capital entering ETH staking will improve the Ethereum network in the long run, which is very true. Right now, you can only stake Ethereum at multiples of 32, which is completely out of everyone's price range. You'd have to be a whale to be doing 32 ETH staking. Therefore, the network will definitely become more decentralized as more people have a stake in Ethereum's network. The more native proof of stake asset that's staked, the higher the cost to attack the chain. Exactly what I'm saying essentially. So the more that's staked and the more people that are staking it, the higher security Ethereum has and the less risk of centralization. Guys, while I do see Ethereum taking a little bit of a battering after the 11 million tokens on the market, I do see Ethereum hitting all-time highs in the next bull run. Guys, that's pretty much it for the crypto news this week. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm. And guys, we currently have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides and more. Thank you very much for watching and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.